Hey guys, Devin here. Just wanted to touch on how we would go about segmenting one of our marketing portal lists. So we're going to go ahead and head into the marketing area here. Once we are here, we are actually going to handle this task inside of the marketing portal. So we'll click on marketing portal and it will open the portal for us. Once we get here, the next area that we need to head into is the contacts area. From this area, what we want to do actually is come over here to the settings cog, and you'll see we've got some options as to the data that we want to display. What we want to display here is service location. So once I apply that out here, we will see we get the service locations that are live in this test system. So it looks like we've got St. Louis and Chicago. So what we want to do is actually create a St. Louis list and create a Chicago list. The way we're going to do that is by going to the lists area. And once we're here, you'll see that you do have your main list. You do just want to have one main sync list, but what you want to do is set segments inside of that list. So we're going to come over here, click right here, and we will go to the segments area. We will click on new segment. And we'll call this Chicago and create the segment. Now, we've got a lot of options here as far as what conditions we can use to create segments. But in this case, what we're looking to do is use a custom field that we have called service location. So service location is Chicago. And we want to go ahead and click save here. And once it's done saving, we can view contacts just to make sure that it is in fact a valid segment. Once it refreshes here, we'll see we do have a couple Chicago customers, so it is working properly. We'll go back to the list area. We will create another segment called St. Louis. We'll do new segment. Again, we're going to select custom fields, service location, and then type in exactly as it is in the system. And I noticed earlier that it is typed out in the system, so we don't want to use the abbreviation because it probably would not find any customers for us. So we want to type it out exactly as the system had it earlier. Go ahead and save that. Once it's saved, we can view our contacts and make sure that it is again a valid list of customers. It appears that it is, and now we've got those customers separated into two areas so that we can do some segmentation in our one-off campaigns and or our automation area.